Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Capricorn placements. Okay, so this is your love reading ngayong August pagdating sa current person and sa new person. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? So, yeah, kung meron pang ibang katanungan, message lang po kayo sa akin pong FB page for more info. So, sa mga nagtatanong ano yung FB page natin, Fias Tarot. Okay? So, pareho lang po. And syempre, sa dami po kasi nanggagaya ng ating page. Check nyo po yung followers. Okay? Nasa 38 na ata tayo. 38K. No? So, yung mga nanggagaya na, sa ano lang yan, 8, diba? 8, 10. Okay? Huwag kayong paloko, ha? Sinabihan ko na kayo. Okay. So, okay, Capricorn. Okay. So, current person. Ano bang meron sa situation ninyo ng current person mo? Okay. Anong meron for Capricorn? I'm hearing Scorpio. Okay. The Knight of Cups inversed. Okay. The Knight of Cups inversed. Someone is being parang hot and cold. Why? Yeah, the Ten of Pentacles inversed. Sabihin natin parang hindi na ganoon nakasure pagdating sa commitments, or maybe someone is a non-committal. Meron dito naghihintay. Meron din dito hindi maka-action ng tama dahil kulang sa pera or may financial issue. Okay? Some of you, you're in a break. There's silence. Okay, so ano bang meron sa taong yan? Anong meron sa taong yan? Meron po ditong kailangan pagtuunan ng pansin or i-fix. Kaso nga lang, meron na nagdadalawang isip, like, wala na dun yung focus. Maya-maya nandyan, okay? Tinitingnan ko anong meron, tas maya-maya parang hindi. Like, napaka-inconsistent na nung energy. Kaya hindi ma-fix yun, dapat i-fix sa sitwasyon. So, tingnan natin ano bang meron sa taong to, Capricorn. Anong meron sa kanya? The Five of Pentacles. Some of them talaga may money issue. Okay? Some of you, ikaw yun ang iwan sa kanya. Okay? Hindi ko malaman bakit itong taong ito parang kailangan ka niya. Pero bakit mo iniwan, Capricorn? Ako yung nagtatanong, no? Yeah, tingnan natin. Ano tong Five of Pentacles? The Six of Wands, reversed. This person wants your attention. They're attention seeker. Yeah, they are attention seeker. Some of them, Capricorn. Itong taong to, kung may nangyaring separation sa inyo, hindi niya ipapakita na parang habol siya sa'yo. Hindi ito magpapakita ng weakness. Okay, i-avoid nila yun. Yeah, the King of Pentacles, this is your energy. May chance na pwedeng may gap or may imbalance, no? Pagdating sa sitwasyon nyo sa pamemera. Pwedeng ikaw, may pera ka, itong taong to, wala. Okay? May inggit to sa'yo. Yeah. May inggit. Yeah, there's insecurity. There is insecurity. Parang hindi siya maka-level sa level mo. Oh, this is deep, Capricorn. This is deep. Let's see, what's their emotion right now? Anong emosyon ng taong to ngayon sa'yo? Yeah, they're insecure. Oh no. They are insecure. Okay, ano emosyon nito sa'yo, Capricorn? The Chariot in reverse. They're not going anywhere. Kahit sabihin nating may separation or what. Okay? If there's separation here, pwedeng na dyan pa rin sila. Parang ganyan. So, emotion ito for you, they're not, sabihin nating choosing to move on. Some of them pwedeng Cancer. Okay? The Chariot in reverse. What's with that? Yeah. Oh my God. They're in regrets or ayaw ng taong to na manghinayang sila. They're stalking you. Okay? They're stalking you. Ang daming nakikita ng taong ito pagdating sa'yo na pwedeng alam niya na parang kapag pinabayaan ka niya or yung sitwasyon is pwedeng panghinayangan niya in the end. Okay? Some of you have this age gap. Yeah, see, the 9 of Cups in reverse. This is unfulfilled. Unfulfilled. Oh no. Ang energy ng taong ito sobrang negative. Or sabihin natin sobrang baba. Ang low ng vibration, ng frequency niya. They need you. They're sad. Pero nandoon yung self-pity, insecurities ng taong to sa'yo, Capricorn. They see you as someone who is so responsible, reliable. I think they're comparing themselves sa'yo eh. Yeah. Oh my God, this is so sad. Okay. Okay, ano bang next action nito pagdating sa'yo, Capricorn? What's their next action towards you? Capricorn, next action ng taong to. The King of Swords. So, being the King of Swords, ayun yung taong tapat. Okay? Pwede magpakatotoo sa'yo tong taong to. Maging matapang. Or kung meron tong kailangan ipaglaban sa'yo, paglalaban niya yun. Yeah. Being vocal or sabihin natin yun nga, tapat, open. Pero may downside or negative side itong King of Swords. They're silent. Yeah. Pero I think they're ready. Okay? That's with the King of Swords. See? The Ace of Pentacles. Oh my God, ipaglalaban ka niya. Kung meron siyang kailangang ipaglaban. Yes, I think may chance na darating sa punto na magiging ready sa'yo itong taong to. Like, financially. Some of them. Okay? Darating yung time. The Temperance is here. Yeah. Yung iba dito talaga, kahit break na kayo or wala na kayo, nandyan pa rin siya eh. Ayaw niya kasing mayroong masasayang or may mawawala. Ang tingin nito sa'yo is someone na talagang sabihin nating ikaw na yung para sa kanya. Kung kailangan kanyang ilaban, ilalaban ka niya. Magiging totoo, magiging tapat tong taong to sa'yo. Sa ngayon nga lang, there's insecurities. There is insecurities. Some of you, may chance na someone is in another connection. Okay, I'm seeing here, yeah, the 10 of Pentacles in reversed. Okay, there's family issue. So that is why pwedeng itong taong to is hindi maka 100% na makagawa ng action towards you. They're like, okay, ganang-ganan, mawala, andyan, mawala, nandyan. They need you. Nahabol ka nitong taong to, Capricorn. So, next action is to offer you. They're ready. They're sitting right now, pero may malaking offer ito in the near future, I guess. Anong advice? Tingnan natin. This person won't go anywhere. Okay, they won't. Anong advice for you, Capricorn? Slash outcome. Let's see. The Nine of Pentacles. Someone will make an offer. Yeah. This is stability. Okay? Yeah. Some of you talagang there's insecurities here. A lot of insecurities. Okay, the Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, and the Ace of Wands. New beginning, or sabihin nating attraction, big time attraction. Parang may chance na magkaroon ng pagkakataon sa inyo talaga ng taong to, kung sino man to. Okay? Some of you, I'm seeing here pregnancy with this person. Yeah, pregnancy. We have here two aces. Yeah, the Queen of Swords. So we have here a pair. Yeah. Some of you, there's legal situation here. Okay, na kailangan ma-fix. Ten of Cups. Yeah. Itong taong to, nakikita ka talaga na you're like the wife material, the husband material. Parang ganon. Long-term connection, long-term partnership. Stable one. Okay? Ikaw lang nakikita nito. Ikaw lang maganda, ikaw lang gwapo, ikaw lang yung the best for them. Okay? So, outcome, some of you may chance na magkaanak kayo ng taong to. Yeah. Kahit sabihin natin may issue dito like legal. Okay? A new beginning. This is a new chapter. Okay? Not a replay. Again. Yeah. May patutunguhan to. The Three of Wands. This is nice. Some of you, ang advice is, focus on your stability. Para habulin ka niya. Kasi yun din ang gusto niyang gawin. Like, I think ginagawa kang motivation ang taong to grow, to improve. So, wag mo hahayaan na mawala yung motivation niya. Capricorn. Okay? Maganda kang halimbawa sa taong ito actually. Kung sino man siya. Okay? So, ginagawa ka niya magandang halimbawa. Yes. Okay. So, dun tayo sa new person ng mga Capricorn. New person ng mga Capricorn. Let's shuffle. Okay. Ano bang meron sa new person ng mga Capricorn? Mayroon ditong na-neglect, na-ignore. Okay. Capricorn, new person. Ano bang meron sa new person mo? Anong meron sa kanya? Anong meron dyan sa taong yan, Capricorn? Tao ba siya? Joke lang. Tingnan natin. Okay. Let's see. Anong meron dyan sa new person mo? The Hanged Man in reversed. Parang walang pakialam sa'yo. Yeah. Pwedeng Pisces. What's that? What's with the Hanged Man in reverse? The High Priestess. Oh no. Some of you, binabasa mo tong taong to. Yung iba sa inyo marunong sa tarot. Some of you. Yeah, walang actions dito No speaking. Hindi mo nakakausap itong taong to actually. Parang, yun nga, nineglect ka. Parang walang pakialam sa'yo. And I think some of you, hindi ko na lahat. Nakikita ko kung marunong ka mag-tarot, tinataro mo to, nire-reading mo tong taong to. That is specific. Hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay? Yeah. Ano ba kasi situation nyo? So, may chance na wala kayong pag-iusap ng taong to, ha? Napaka-silent. Oo. This person talaga nakukuha yung attention mo because some of them, they're too silent. I don't know. Tingnan natin. May letter B, may letter J. Let's see. Ano bang meron dyan sa sitwasyon nyo ng new person, Capricorn? Grabe naman. Oh, the King of Swords. What? Parang kapag nanonood ka ng TV, naka-mute. Opo, naka-mute. Wala maririnig. Grabe. Why? Why the King of Swords? Kainaman naman. The Six of Cups. The Ace of Cups. This is someone new. Parang feeling mo nagkita na kayo or nag-connect na kayo before. There's like a strong connection. Okay. Someone wants to pursue. Someone wants to connect. Someone wants to talk. Like, to approach. Like, friendly approach. Yes. Yes! Tingnan natin. Yung parang may nabubisit na dito kasi sobrang tahimik. Kung walang pansinan. Yeah. Pero, tingnan natin ano emotion ito for you. We have here Cancer, Pisces, Aqua, water sign. Anong emotion ito for you, Capricorn? Some of them, they're young. Yeah. Okay. Ano ba to? Tawag dyan? Para siyang loner. Like, mag-isa lagi. Parang ganyan. Tahimik. Tingnan natin ano bang emosyon nito for you, Capricorn? Ano emosyon ng new person na to pagdating sa'yo? The Ten of Wands. Grabe. Why? Ba't ganyan? Why the Ten of Wands? The Judgment in reverse. Hindi mapakalito. Oo, every time na nagkikita kayo, every time na nagsasama kayo nito sa isang lugar. Yeah. Yeah, the Justice. The Tower. Takot tong taong to. May takot siya. I don't know. Scorpio. May gustong sabihin itong taong ito na hindi naman nila masabi-sabi. Mahirap sa kanila na sabihin, bigkasin, ipaalam sa'yo kung ano yun. Yeah. Parang gusto kong gumamit ng isang oracle, yung hidden truth. Para malaman natin, oo. Hang on, wait lang. Okay. So, gamit tayo nitong Hidden Truth Oracle. Okay, shuffle natin. Anong gustong sabihin ng taong to? Bigat na eh. Tutulungan kita, yung person. At kayo mga Capricorn, para malaman natin kung ano bang gustong sabihin ng taong to. Ngayon lang tayo gagamit ng Oracle. Kasi, hindi niya masabi eh. Hindi ko malaman. Ba't ganyan? Anong gusto nito sabihin? Anong gusto nitong ipahayag sa'yo? Capricorn, emotion. This is like hidden message. I hid who I really am from you. Talaga naman tagong-tago. Talaga naman tagong-tago. Tingnan natin. Ano pa? So, talagang tinatago niya. Talaga, no? Ano bang meron? Let's see. Ano ba? Isa pa. New person. I'm starting to understand our connection. Ay, sana all, no? I think you have these mutual feelings, no? may mutual feelings. Kung anong nararamdaman mo, yun din ang nararamdaman niya. Pero they don't know how to start the communication. See, I can't stop thinking about you. Uy. Uy. Uy, uy, uy. Okay, so, let's see. What is their next action towards you, Capricorn? This new person. This new person. Let's see. Some of you, meron kayong mutual friend nito. Yeah, meron kayong mutual friend. Okay. Alam mo yung kinakausap niya yung ibang tao na nakapaligid sa inyo, pero pagdating sa'yo, hindi kanya kinakausap. Parang ganon. Lahat, igigreet niya, aside lang sa'yo. Aside lang sa'yo. Ikaw lang hindi, o diba? Tinagalog pa, oo. So, tingnan natin anong next action niya towards you, this new person. Anong next action niya? The Queen of Swords. So, may pair. Okay, may pair. Oh. I think the same kayo. Nag-uusap ba kayo nito? I think no. May nag-approach ba na isa sa inyo? I think no. Wala. Okay. Next action. The Queen of Swords. Ganun eh. Like, tahimik pa rin. Pwedeng Libra. What's with the Queen of Swords? Alam nyo, kapag to in-approach nyo, ready naman to eh. Nakausapin ka naman niya. Nakausapin ka naman itong taong to. Magiging totoo to magiging tapat. See, the Empress. Oh! Sheesh! Diba? Next action. There's like a communication na pwedeng mangyari sa inyo. Like, magkakaroon ng progress. Kapag may nag-step up. So, I think this person may chance na mag-step up. Pero napakalabo. O, diba? Magulo na kayo. Ginulo ko pa lalo. Hindi. Kasi nakuha ko sa kanya, yes, ready tong taong to. Okay? Napaka-silent. Ang hirap nito. Capricorn. Yeah, oo. Ako nahihirapan for you. Sana magkaroon na siya ng lakas ng loob. Yeah. The Queen of Swords, this is someone who is ready and mayroon niyang tapang, 'di ba? Okay? Yeah, I think may chance na itong taong to ang gagawa ng way. No? Nawa. O, 'di ba? Kung hindi kayo yung gumagawa or hindi kayo namamansin, yeah, napaka-poker face nyo kasi. Napaka-nonchalant nyo. Yung iba. Some of you, may chance na pwedeng may resemblance kayo ng taong to. Oo. Pareho kayo, mirroring each other. Pero, yun nga, darating ang punto na pwedeng maging open to sa'yo. Okay? Ayaw rin niya talaga na may magiging sayang. Ayaw rin ng taong to na may masasayang. Okay? So, anong outcome nyo? Anong outcome nyo ng taong to, Capricorn? Outcome. Alam niyo yung alam niyo yung energy na to. Parang feeling mo like may spark agad. Parang ganon. Like, makakaramdam ka ng parang nakilala mo na or sabihin nating nakukuha mo yung atensyon ng taong to. Parang, or sabihin nating nakukuha niya yung attention mo. Like, nadodrown ka. Parang ganon. Anong outcome nito, Capricorn? Here, Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles. How's the outcome? The Ace of Wands inversed. Oh, no. Okay. The Ace of Wands inversed. The Three of Pentacles. I think this is like tago. Bakit? Some of you, they're attracted. Sa totoo lang, nandito si Empress. We have here a lot of people. Okay, a lot. 4 halos. Meron ditong pair. Okay, meron ditong isa. I don't know who sa inyo ang meron ka-connect. So, siguro, meron ditong hindrance, kaya hindi mangyari yung communication, like yung being open. Okay? Alam nyo, ang Capricorn, yan, dyan yung attraction, a lot of attraction, like 100 million% attraction. Pagdating sa'yo, itong taong to, yun nga lang, tinatago lang niya. Dahil alam niya na kailangan itago. Some of you kasi, okay, yung iba sa inyo may anak na. And, sabihin nating, nakatali na. Yeah. Okay? Na, hindi ko naman sinabi kasi na pang ano to, like, single. Okay? New person ang binanggit ko rito. So, that is why. May chance ng sex. Opo. The Three of Pentacles is energy of third party. So I think I hid who I really am from you. So may chance na there's something na nakatago. Okay? And pwedeng yun yung isang dahilan kung bakit hindi nagiging open, like open itong taong to pagdating sa connection nyo. Yeah. This person is stalking you. Okay? They're stalking you. Like, inaaral nito. Yeah, see? The Three of Swords. Third parties. Okay? Third party. So, may chance na inaaral nito lahat ng action niya, lahat ng galaw niya. Okay? Hindi ito basta-basta na parang gagawa ng aksyon para lang magkakanek. I think may pinapangalagaan rin to. May ina-avoid. Okay? Kung wala man, talagang ang kaso hindi eh. Ang daming tao dito na involve. Okay, ang daming tao. Lumabas pa yung Three of Swords. So, I think may third party talaga na involve or something na pwedeng humahad lang dito sa sitwasyon nyo na to. Na-attract ka eh sa taong to, so ganun din siya sa'yo. So, outcome, may chance ng sex. Yes. Chance. May tendency na mangyari sex. Okay? Yun nga lang, kung kailangan yung i-avoid to, avoid it. Yeah, the Knight of Cups. Hindi naman kasi totally magiging consistent to. Yeah, and I think some of you, hindi nyo alam kung anong meron talaga sa tao. Or, may mga nakatago nga talaga. Kaya ito yun. May mga nakatago talaga na hindi mo alam, kaya nangangapa, parang ganon. Okay, well, this is just sabihin nating attraction na pwedeng lumalim, magiging open, mawawala yung obstacle, yung kung ano mang nakaharang dito. Okay, so yeah, I'm not telling you to do it, no, pero malalaki na kayo, nasa tamang edad na kayo, alam nyo na yung tama and kung anong mali. Okay, so yun ang ating reading for you, Capricorn placements. Again, yeah, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.